Hello everyone, Dawn Arnold, the Mayor of Moncton here. I'm here today to do a random prize draw for the Anglophone East STEAM Showcase. So our prizes for this week are, first prize, a Sphero robot courtesy of Sphero Education and a digital book download from Goose Lane Editions. Second prize, we have an Ozobot bit courtesy of Boreal Science, as well as a free pass to Resurgo Place. And finally, we have a Microbit Go kit courtesy of Brilliant Labs and another free pass to Resurgo Place courtesy of Resurgo. So let's head to the randomizer. We have 54 numbers in the randomizer this week. I have them right here. And here we go. For our first lucky number is 30. The next lucky number is 42. And finally, the last lucky winner this week is number 4. So head over to the STEAM Showcase at, are you ready for it? www.flipgrid.com ASDE STEAM Showcase 20 to find out who those winners are. So keep posting your videos each week. There will be a random draw for more amazing prizes. Look forward to seeing more of your creativity and passion on the STEAM Showcase. Good luck, everyone.